Right, we are now today at Forbidden Corner, and we're just about to enter the
Burping
Mouth. Right, let's go in. See if it's as good as mine. This is where Mum fell. I love it.
What the hell? That's disgusting.
Hold on, can you Burping? Luke, can you Burping?